How many continents across the earth do you think there are rainforests?
Oh, wow, that's a good one. I mean, I can't think of any for sure besides South America, but there's got to be more. Probably like in Asia somewhere. What happens in Australia? So I'm gonna say definite one. I'm gonna bump that up to 2 to be safe, but my final answer is 3 out of 7.
That would be 3. 2.
Oh, 6? Oh, no.
I'm gonna say 1. I'm probably way off.
Not Australia, not Antarctica. 5?
I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna say 4 or 5. I'm gonna go with 4.
6 actually.
6, okay.
The only continent without a rainforest is Antarctica.
Okay.
71% of the Earth's surface is covered by this.
Water?
That's water. Nail it.
Water.
That's correct. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by this.
Water?
That's right.
Water.
That's right.
Water.
That's correct. Yes. The donation match challenge. If you answer this question right, $5 is going to be donated to a charity on our platform. What is the world's largest coral reef?
I'm gonna go with the Great Barrier Reef.
That's correct.
Great Barrier Reef?
That's right.
All right.
Good deal, man.
Yeah.
$5 for charity.
I did it.
No.
Another Great Barrier Reef.
Nail it. Oh, yeah.
Let's see what it is.
Great Barrier Reef?
That's right. Sweet. $5 for charity. Hey guys, I'm Ryan Brunell, co-founder of Gladitood, and I want to say thanks for watching our Giving Tuesday countdown video. Giving Tuesday is coming up, Tuesday, December 2nd. If you want to join in the action, donate to a charity that's important to you or find one on our platform.